Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Really interesting. Look at this chart here. Really fascinating. Look at this here. Oh my goodness. So I was just doing some analysis yesterday, looking at this. I'm just like, oh, isn't that interesting? What a little cool little chart this is, right? So we've had a whole bunch of area of resistance level through here, as you can see from this trend line, and you can see this whole area of resistance is now becoming very strong support in the gold sector, right? So a lot of resistance becomes support level through here, and now we're holding through here right now. So this is actually looking, it's actually looking really strong. We've actually got a nice little update today as well too. What's that hour chart look like? Yeah, you can see here we had a bit of a flush down. Now we're actually slowly making our way up. So gold, if gold continues to hold here, traders, this actually is going to be really nice in the markets. We've actually got two levels. We actually got this level through here as well too. If I just make that a bit thicker, we've actually got this area here as well too, which is actually, so you sort of got X marks the spot with these two resistance lines. So really this channel that it was in, and then we broke to the upside, and now we actually come back down. Now we're holding this level through here. I honestly do believe we're going to start to see a lot more upside to come when it comes to the gold market through there. Let's actually go to silver as well too. Silver is actually a really interesting thing. Check this out. So the first few things that I really want to share with you is this. Let me actually just make these a bit thicker as well too, because I just want to share this with you. Okay, so make that bit thicker. The first thing with silver, look at this here. From a big picture perspective, when it comes to silver was actually in a very nice triangle pattern. As you can see, it was squeezing up into some sort of a triangle pattern through here, and from this point through here, from this point through here, it was that. But then also you had like a very nice sort of support level through there as well too, right? So it was like a descending triangle pattern slash into a bit of an actual triangle pattern itself. But look what's happened here, right? We're in this squeezing up pattern, right? And you can see bouncing, resistance, or resistance through here. And then now look what happened. It broke out to the upside, as you can see. And now we've actually come back down. Now, if I actually draw the trend line from there to maybe even there, you can actually see, if I draw it from the actual high points, you actually can see where we're at right there, right? You can see what's happening. If you actually draw it from the high points through there, you can see what's happening here right now. Okay, so we broke to the upside. So we were in this triangle pattern, and now we're in like a bit of another small triangle pattern through here. Okay, so bear with me here. So first of all, we're in this very big triangle pattern. Then we broke out, and look at this here. We broke out, we made a higher high, and now we're coming down through here. Very interesting stuff. So looking at that, if we could start to get a break to the upside, which I do believe is coming, right? That's going to give us a low, a high, a higher high, and now it's going to give us a higher low. Low, higher low, breaking up after this formation. Looks like we're going to start to make some big moves. But this is where it gets really fascinating. See this line here? And I'm going to change that to pink, since I've got a bit of a fetish with pink lately. John, what are you telling us? Check out this pink line. If silver starts to make its way up past this $27, fireworks is going to happen in silver. Fireworks, right? It's going to go, it's on like Donkey Kong. That's right, boy. That's why, OG folks, Donkey Kong is back, right? Every time I say Donkey Kong, I think about that one comment who someone said, John, you could take your Donkey Kong and shove it. Oh my goodness, this should be fun, guys. Trading should be fun, right? It's like, even if you have some losses, you shouldn't be trading that much where you're having big losses anyway. So I love trading. It's one of the reasons why I've been doing it for so long. Look at this here. If I go to my weekly charts, this weekly chart trend line is coming all the way back since 2011. Oh my goodness. Odie. Do you see what I see, guys? Do you see what I see? You know, if I create another parallel trend line, look at this here. Oh my goodness. You know what that's called? I call that a sexy beast. It's sexy because of the pattern. Like, look at this here. Resistance back here. now becomes support. Now it's squeezing up in this pattern here. Right? We could also have something going on through there. Right through there. This is what's called a sexy beast. It's sexy because of the pattern, and it's a beast because the market's a beast, right? I call it a sexy beast. So look at this through here, traders. Look what's happening here. This very long-term trend line coming down through here has been a major area of resistance, and it even actually rejected it recently. That's the reason why it stopped there and it's pulled back just recently. See that through there? And so if I bring up my trend lines more like through there to there, as you can see, right? So now remember, we're looking at the weekly chart here. Remember I said before about that breaking out period? Look at this here. Oh my goodness, guys, this is just crazy. This is crazy because as you can see with the overall pullback, if we start to get something like this on a weekly basis and we start to get a breaking above these highs through here, whoa, here we go for all-time new highs. $50 silver, here we go. It's just absolutely just crazy because there's a few things that's happening here. Firstly, we have on a weekly chart, we have a low and a significant higher low here, right? This is big picture, big picture stuff here. That's the first thing I do say. Second thing is that we've been doing nothing for a long time. And you know what happens? You know what happens when the market does nothing for a long time, right? We go for what? We go for big moves. And then the thirdly is that we've been on this major trend line through here, which has rejected it many times, all through these for the last couple of years. If we break that, guess what? Now it's like, oh, man, it's like me saying, yes, kids, you can go on the VR today. They're like, here we go. So they are the few things that I wanted to share with you guys. And the big thing, the big thing I really want to leave you with in today's market update is this. If it's going to be anything that's going to make big moves this decade, it's going to be the metals and the miners. Just even looking at the GDXJ. Right, I look at this GDXJ chart. Look at this GDXJ chart. We've just started to break out now, and we're developing a bit of sideways movement. We had a very strong move up and a very strong pullback, and now we're developing this here. The GDXJ to me, guys, is my baby. Right, I'm in gold, and I'm in the GDXJ. GDXJ for me, guys, over this decade, not straight away, but over this decade, it's going to be one of those craziest moves that you've ever seen. So traders, when I first started trading, I lost $250,000 trading the markets. And then I got access to a few seven-figure mentors that really set me straight on what I need to do with the foundations, how to read the charts, the trading systems, the mindset, so on and so forth. And then that was the massive turning point for me to be doing really well from actual trading and being successful trading. So what I've done is I've created a course called the Breakthrough Course. And what I've done is I've actually put a whole bunch of really good education and strategies and processes that help me go from $250,000 in debt to then actually becoming a full-time trader, making a full-time income from trading. And I'm actually running a flash sale to that trading course. So if you go to johnsflashsale.com, or there should be a link in the description. If there's not, then go to johnsflashsale.com. That's JOHNS flashsale.com. Go to johnsflashsale.com and you'll be able to get access to this course now for $7. So go get access to that right now, guys, and I'll see you real soon.